my dear students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 5 Around the World, chapter number 36, FIFA World Cup in Qatar. Take the correct answer. Question number 1. From when to when did the FIFA World Cup 2022 take place in Qatar? From November 2 to December 18. Which country has hosted the most World Cups? Italy. Who won the Best Young Player Award in FIFA World Cup 2022? And Enzo Fernandez. Who will host the 2026 World Cup? United States, Mexico and Canada. Number 5. Who invented modern football? Walter Camp. Which of the following team awarded FIFA Play Award? Brazil. Nora Fatehi influenced her dance moves in FIFA World Cup 2022 anthem. Light the Sky. 4. Number 8. Which of the following country finished third in the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Morocco, Argentina, Croatia or France? So number 8 is third one. Croatia. Number 9. What was the first World Cup trophy called? Jules Rimet Trophy. 10. In FIFA World Cup 2022 Golden Ball Award goes to number 2, Lionel Messi. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 37. You must have heard the term business. What does it actually mean? So test your knowledge of the business world by picking the right answer to these questions. What was the name of the person who founded Facebook while attending college at Harvard University? Mark Zuckerberg. Number 2. Which bank serves as the Central Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India? If New York has Wall Street, what does Mumbai have? Dalal Street. Which global trading and investment company founded in 1850 became bankrupt in 2008? Lehman Brothers. Five. Who were the founders of the company Google? Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Number 6. A dairy cooperative in Gujarat, India is jointly owned by about 2.6 million milk producers. What is the name of their brand? Amul. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 38. Culture refers to the pattern of human activity and the symbols which give significance to this activity. So, the cultural values of a community give it an identity of its own. Fill in the blanks with the answer. Choose the answers from the help box. Okay, number 1. This country has many myths and legends pertaining to the actions of the gods. So, one of the most famous families of gods they worshipped were the children of Nut and Jeb, Isis, Set, and Nephthys. So, which countries are we talking about? Egypt. E, G, Y, P, T. This dance form originates from Cuba and it is dance to music of the same name. It comes from studies made by dance teacher Monsieur Pierre Zercher Margolin. So the authentic Cuban style can be very complex and involves polyrhythms. So it is cha-cha-cha. Number 3. Ayurveda, the earliest school of medicine known to mankind, has been an integral part of this country's tradition since age. Mark Twain described the rich culture of this nation when he called it the cradle of the human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. So, which country are we referring to? So, it is India. Number 4. This is a music festival that takes place every year near Somerset in England. In 2013, famous bands like the Arctic Monkeys and Mumford and Sons played here. ये है Glastonbury. Glastonbury. Number 5. This city houses famous museums like the Louvre and Orsay Museum. It also houses the biggest collection of Impressionist art in the entire world. Which city are we talking about? Paris. Question number 5. Six. This 16-day festival held annually in Munich, Germany during the months of September and October is also one of the world's largest fair. Name the festival. It is Oktoberfest. O-K-T-O-B-E-R F-E-S-T. Oktoberfest. Number 7. This peasant girl led the French in the 100 Years' War because she believed that it was God who guided her to do so. She was executive as a heretic and later made a saint. So who is she? She is Joan of Arc. Number 8. In northern India, this dramatic reenactment of the life of Lord Ram is staged for 10 or more consecutive nights. Okay, so on the last day of the performance, effigies of Ramana, his brother and son are set on fire. And the coronation of Rama takes place. So what is this? Dramatic enactment called, it is Ram Leela. Number 9. The Wayang Puppet Theatre has been practiced in the royal courts of Java. The Wayang Puppet Theatre has been practiced in the royal courts of Java and Bali for centuries. It is an ancient form of storytelling. In which country is it practiced? So this is Indonesia. Festival Due Desert is 3 days of storage, music, art and dance that are on display in Skin, which is the 2 hours away from Timbuktu. Artists from all over Africa and Europe come and camp in the desert. So which country hosts this festival? So student, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 39. Nobel Prize winner. You must have here the name of Nobel Prize. What does it actually mean? Nobel Prizes are given in 6 subject areas: physics, chemistry, psychology or medicine, literature, peace and economics. So match these Nobel laureates with the fields in which they were awarded the prize by writing the correct letters in the boxes. So number 1, Henry Dunant. B, peace. 2, Rabindranath Tagore, economics. Marie Curie, physics. Next one, Rudyard Kipling, literature. Max Planck, physics. Andreas Rutherford, chemistry. Number 7, Barack Obama, peace. Amartya Sen, literature. F. V.S. Naipaul, 9, literature. J. Hargobind Khurana, number 10 is medicine specialist है. Number 11, Paul Krugman. So he is 2 are there, medicine or economics. So he is economics, E, I. Number 12, Francis Crick, medicine, H. So students, the chapter number 39 is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 40. Historic monuments. A monument is a type of structure that was explicitly created to commemorate a person or important event, or which has become important to a social group as a part of their remembrance of historic times. So identify these famous landmarks around the world. Pick your answers from the help box. Number 1. This National Martyrs Memorial in Bangladesh is dedicated to the courage and sacrifice to those killed in the Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971. तो ये है जातीय स्मृति सुधो. Number 2. Following India's independence, these monuments became the site of the Indian Army storm of the unknown soldiers. India Gate, this monument was built in St. Petersburg to commemorate the Russian victories over Sweden in the Great Northern War. ये है Monument of Peter I. Monument of Peter I. Number 4. This memorial on one of the 2 rocks located in Kanyakumari is built in the honor of Swami Vivekanand. ये है Vivekanand Rock Memorial. Number 5. These life-size clay soldiers buried in the grave of the first Chinese emperor, okay, Xuangledi, were discovered in 1974 near Xi'an in China. So it is terracotta army. Number 6. Located in Ottawa, Ontario, this memorial is dedicated to all the unidentified Canadian soldiers and is part of the National War Memorial. ये है Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. Okay. Students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 41. A national anthem is a generally patriotic musical composition that evokes and eulogizes the historic tradition and struggles of its people, recognized either by a nation's government as the official national song or by conventions so used by the people. India and Bangladesh adopted 2 songs written by the Indian Nobel laureate and noted Bengali poet author Rabindranath Tagore as their national anthem. So Jana Gana Mana was adopted as the national anthem and of India on 24 Jan 1950. Amar Sonar Bangla became the national anthem of Bangladesh in 1971. Another Nobel Prize winner who composed the national anthem was Vigensjendre Martinus Vigensson. He wrote the lyrics for the Northern national anthem. So, La Marseillaise is the French national anthem that was written by Claude Joseph Roch de Lisle, who was a captain of the engineers. It was composed in one night during the French Revolution in 1972. Now it's the quiz time. 1. Though the Tamil version of the Sri Lankan national anthem is played on some occasions, it was originally composed in Sinhala. Mozart composed music for the national anthem of which country? Austria. 3. Which country has the shortest national anthem? Japan. Who wrote the lyrics of the Star Spangled Banner, the national anthem of the United States? Number 4. Francis Scott Key. Number 5. Which country's national anthem is God Save the Queen? It is United Kingdom. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 42. ये ब्रांड है यहाँ पे, हमें गेस करना है, इनके लोगो यहाँ पे बने हुए हैं. So okay, a brand is a name of trademark connected with a product to make consumers trust the product. So here are some catchy brand taglines. Name the brands. Take help from the Hellbox. 1. Between love and madness lies obsession. It is Calvin Klein. Number 2. The world's favorite airline. This is British Airlines. Number 3. The ultimate driving machine, BMW. Okay. Next one, number 4. We keep your promises. DHL. Number 4. Okay, done. Number 5. Expanding possibilities. Six, empowering the internet generation. Cisco. Number 7, just do it, Nike. Number 8, the word on time. FedEx. Number 9, think FedEx. Think different, Apple. The best a man can get. It is Gillette. Number 11, like no other, Sony. Okay. 12, connecting people, Nokia. Enjoying the ride, Nissan. $14, driven by passion, Fiat. $15, build for the road ahead, Life's Good, LG. Always low prices, always, Walmart. Sense and simplicity, Philips. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 43. Chapter number 43, grasslands. The most extensive natural grasslands are believed to be the intermediate regions bordered by forests at one end and dry deserts at the other. Match the grassland with the places where they are found by writing the correct letter. Llano, A. E. Colombia and Venezuela, Pampas. D. Argentina. Prairie. Number third, the USA. Steppe. 4. Central Asia. F. Tundra. Number 5. Arctic Circle. Veld. South Africa. And Campos Sea, Brazil. Question is done. Now next question. Question number B. Choose the correct option. A grassland can be tropical and temperate. Both A and B. Dono. Which of these crops are grown most extensively in the prairies? Rice, wheat or jute? It is wheat. Number 3. What are the tropical grassland called? Prairie, savanna, yet taiga. Number 3 is B. Savanna. 4. Which of the following animals are not found in grassland? Tigers, lions, या bisons? Tigers. Okay. So everyone, the chapter number 43 is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 44. #21st century. Do a quick recap of some of the events and occurrences in the 21st century by answering the following questions. Pick your answer from the help box. Question number 1. Which Pakistani Sufi rock band performed on the bank of the Dal Lake in Srinagar in 2008 to promote peace and brotherhood between India and Pakistan? Junoon. Number 2. Which virus-inflicted epidemic was known to have started in Guangdong province, China in November 2002 and later spread around the globe? It is severe acute respiratory syndrome. Number 3. Amidst wide and violent protests from the Arab world, this country was formed and given legitimacy in 1946. Israel. Which country launched Chandrayaan-1 into space on 22 October 2008? Thus joining a select group of countries to send a spacecraft to the moon. India. Question number 5. The US attack in 2003 marked the end of Saddam Hussein's rule in this country. Iraq. Name the space shuttle that docked with the Hubble Space Telescope in 2009 for much needed repairs. So answer number 6 is Atlantis. 7. Which engineer and multimillionaire from the USA became the first space tourist in 2001 when he paid a reported $20 million for a trip? Dennis Tito. So students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.